Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given that ax plus 2 times bx plus 7 is equal to 15x squared plus cx plus 14. So before we do anything else, let's just get these into the same form, which is going to involve distributing out this side so that it looks like this side. So we're going to get abx squared plus 7ax plus 2bx plus 2 times 7 is plus 14. And this we know is equal to 15x squared plus cx plus 14. So now from here we can see that abx squared is going to be 15x squared. 7ax plus 2bx is going to be equal to cx. And then luckily 14 lines up with 14. So here, if we divide both sides by x squared, we're left with ab is equal to 15. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 15, and we're told that they add to 8. So if we look for the prime factorization of 15, it's just 3 and 5. So the factors of 15 are going to be 1 and itself, and then 3 and 5. So if we make it a little bit clearer, so we have these values, and we know that these are the two pairs that multiply to 15. Now, we need them also to add to 8. So if we check, we have 1 plus 15 is equal to 16, so that doesn't work. And then 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, so that does work. So A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5, or A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 3. We don't know which one's which, because in both situations, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 3 is 8. It doesn't matter which order it's in. So when we're looking for what are the possible values of C is going to be one number when we're looking at these values, and it's going to be another number when we're looking at these values. So plugging in A equals 3 and B equals 5 first, if we just look at 7a plus 2b equals to C, getting rid of all the x's, since we can just divide all those out, we get C is equal to 7 times A is 7 times 3, plus 2B is 2 times 5, and that's equal to 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2 times 5 is 10, which is equal to 31. Now, right off the bat, you can just see D is the only answer with a 31 in it, so you can just answer it off. But we will test the other one. When A is 5 and B is 3, C equals 7a, which is now 5, plus 2 times 3, which is 7 times 5 is 35, plus 2 times 3 is 6, which equal to 41, which is the other answer in D, which clarifies that D is the final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.